before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and of course share this video to your friends, okay? And why not leave a comment in the comment section telling me where you are right now. And before I tell you when to take this home recipe, remember this home recipe is very effective and doesn't have side effects. The more you take it, the more you experience to have good results. Guys, trust me, okay? But children, women, and pregnant women, this recipe is not for you, okay? But you, like me, please take this home recipe every day before meal. Trust me, the more you take it, the more you'll be expecting good results. So take it every day before meal. Trust me, during sleeping, you'll experience good results and doesn't have overdose. Subscribe, leave a comment, share, invite your friends to this YouTube channel. Ciao, ciao.